But at least like, what the is going on? Dude, our dog. Come on. Still a Chick-fil-A nugget?
Schon. Fighting.
Delivering right to your door. Order through the Chick-fil-A app where possible, or our delivery partners.
My sandwich.
Let's all take good care of each other. I like living in mutual.
Jesus Christ.
What are you saying? What does that mean? Okay. Like, he's not overeating, I know that. Look at...
놀아. 불어줄게.
Excuse me?
Gaat niet lekker hoor, hier.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Look at what the fuck I just came home to. Goose.
This cat just got back from the vet, but still had anesthesia in their system.
No, don't do that. It's not gonna work.
White boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it, and they're worried.
Girls.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, what?
Shut up.
Little ones, like just like journal. Yeah, not journal.
She said hell no.
That's right.
安生，安生，安生，安大生，咋的啦？我电脑上寻思什么呢？寻思什么呢？哎呦，今天要抓挠，你关机了咋？
You're too young to smoke. What are you doing? No.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
What are you doing? Oh my god. What are you doing? Is there a cricket there you're trying to kill? How about we just like...
Sassy.
Oh my god.
Open already. Yeah. Yeah, push already. You naughty boy.
Hi, I had an appointment.
Oh, sorry, she's new.
Oh, okay.
You can't be...
Bruh. Put me on me boxes. Huh? Huh?
Oh yeah. Da.
Hello? Where did he go?
Are you gonna kill me? They'll find this on my phone.
Dior! What are you doing, Dior?